A popular myth claims cracking knuckles causes arthritis, but decades of research show no lasting joint damage when done gently. The truth is that the sound comes from gas bubbles in synovial fluid bursting during movement, not a curse on joints. Small studies even report momentary increases in perceived mobility after a quiet crack, though the gain is purely subjective. Excessive cracking can irritate ligaments and soft tissue, causing swelling or reduced grip strength if done with force. So curiosity should trump superstition, and science nudges us to crack wisely rather than fearfully.